Hi, a very good evening to all of you. Today we are going to discuss the question which appeared on 3rd March 2022 for the real IELTS exam test. Academic module, pen and paper, afternoon session, reported in India. Some people say that individuals who make a lot of money are the most successful. Others think that those who contribute to society, for example, scientists and teachers, are the most successful. Discuss both sides and give your opinion. So, what makes this question uh, special is that we have two opposing arguments. We have argument number one, when a group of people believe that individuals who earn a lot of money, they are considered as most successful, extremely successful. On the other hand, there are people who think that who are um, uh, contributing to societies like teachers, scientists, all these people, engineers, doctors, health professionals, those who contribute to the societies, they are more successful. So there the difference in opinion is based on uh, the matter successful, who, which group or which sector of the society is successful. Then that is the center topic of the debate here. Now I have to discuss objectively what exactly number one and number two, and I have to give my opinion. So a thorough discussion is essential to analyze what exactly the matter is, and it should be done objectively as a third person, not as a person who is involving in any of this group. So whenever you see your opinion, it should be separated. And when you analyze argument number one, it should be very objective. You have to see how they picturize the issue. And in the other way, you need to identify why this group sees this thing like that. So an objective presentation is needed because we are reporting that these people like cake because of this reason. I think that they like cake because of this. I think these people like pizza because of these reasons. I've seen both people. They have they some this group are interested in cakes, and this group is interested in pizza. How so you see this thing, and then I can give my own opinion after that, either in the conclusion or in a separate paragraph. And this is the format of this thing. So an objective presentation is highly recommended. So it's not a subjective presentation. When you go with an opinion, personal viewpoint question, you go with a subjective presentation. Here, I need to think as the proponents of this particular thing or the opposers of this particular thing, how they think. See, if I am saying this product is good, if a person, so I need to analyze why that person is telling like that, and another person is telling this person is bad. I need to analyze how, why this person is telling that is bad, and I need to give my opinion after that. That this is the pattern of the question here. So in the main body paragraphs, we are going to write the arguments in a reported form or in an objective form. We are reporting the argument number one and argument number two, and then we are giving my own personal perspective there. Now, let us start. There exist contradictory views whether successful money makers or social contributors such as scientists and teachers are the most successful in modern society. So here I have a presentation like this. The contradictory views are there. So you have two opinion, opinion number one and opinion number two, and these two are contradicting, and that's why we have said contradictory views. And what is that? Whether successful money makers or social contributors, such as scientists and teachers, are most successful in the modern society. Which group is most successful in the modern society? That is the controversy. Although both groups enjoy dignity and social status, I think in the present scenario, the former group can overshadow any prominent group. Now, the former group here is the successful money makers who can earn money more successfully, and they are considered as successful. They can be given more importance here, in my opinion. I have my personal opinion. The reasons for this argument have to be presented in the following paragraph. So the reasons have to be presented in the following paragraph. So the presentation is clear. I said money. So those who have more money, they are most successful. Then this is what I have to prove in the essay. So I have my objective written in the introduction. And in the coming paragraph, I'm going to discuss argument number one, argument number two, and then I have to give my personal opinion there, followed by conclusion. Or I can integrate personal opinion with the conclusion. Now, we can see the first particular paragraph, the reason why some people think that social contributors such as teachers and scientists are more successful. Now, we have seen the second viewpoint here. Argument number two is presented in the first paragraph, and this is because I am favoring money. So if I would have said teachers and scientists are more important and they are more successful people in the modern society, then I'll be writing that in the second paragraph. So why I have written this thing in the first paragraph? Because I have selected in my mind that the former group can overshadow any prominent group. It means money overshadows any prominent group. So that's why this came first. So I have to state that, and then I have to go and explain what exactly is money is going to do there. Let's see further. So the reason why some people think that social contributors such as teachers and scientists are more successful because of their exclusive and exceptional service to the society. They are providing unique services, one of its kind, special services to the society, which other people cannot serve. Teachers show light of knowledge and create the base of success for any person in the society. They show the light of success on, like they show the light of knowledge. If a person wants to become a doctor or any engineer, so teachers, they show the lights of knowledge for them. They provide the basis for them. This is what this thing is. Similarly, scientists benefit the society by innovations which are either critical like vaccines or progressive like 5G technology. So the level of success they enjoy is unique in nature. You can say that the level of success, it's exclusive and exceptional to this group. It cannot be seen anywhere. So the type of success, that these people are successful. It's already said, although both groups enjoy dignity and social status. So they enjoy some dignity, they enjoy some social status. So that's what we are discussing. And this type of success is unique and it is special. Nowhere in the world you be getting this sorts of success. A successful scientist or a successful teacher enjoys success in a special way. And this is the summary of the paragraph. So whether the level of success is not the question actually. The success they enjoy is something special, is something unique. Now, by contrast, the opposite group claims that the wealthy enjoy the power of money to a greater extent. Now, the second thing, you can understand that this has more weightage because you can see more number of words, more explanation there. So naturally, the writer is going to say that money is something important. Money, they get, the wealthy can enjoy the power of money to a greater extent and visible a sort of enjoyment. You can see that they are enjoying the money. You can see that they are successful with their own material possessions. They can have the most material things and the best available services in the world. If you have more money, you will be having more privileges like this. So you can say example of the space tourism, which only the wealthy can think about a space tourism, and for a common man, it is just a dream. Now we have said one more thing here. In addition, the society's attitude towards money has changed. And if you have sufficient money, a person can buy scientists, a person can buy teachers. I do want a teacher for my 2-year-old child or a 3-year-old child. The best teacher I will be getting if I do have money. I want a bus doctor for my personal well-being. So I pay money, so I get this thing. So I'm happy there. So with money, I can buy teachers, I can buy professionals, any type of professional. So this change has created a feeling in the minds of the people that money is directly proportional to the level of happiness or the level of satisfaction. So the second paragraph, what is being written, highlights some strong points which we can understand that money is something special there than something else which was mentioned in the earlier. Now the third paragraph, I have given my opinion. So what is your clear-cut opinion? Over the years, the lifestyle and attitudes of the people have changed. And as a result, they started perceiving money as the core attributing factor which decides success. So from the long time ago, we have less importance to money and more importance to social relationship and social structure and all these things. But right now, people die for money. The attitude towards money has changed, and they consider this is, if you have money, you be successful. This is what now today's generation has got it. So if you have more money, it is quite rational to think those who have more money are more successful. If you have the extreme wealth, you are extremely successful. And this is a rational thought here, because if you have money, you can buy even teachers, you can buy even these people, whoever it is, doctors, whatever it is. So to conclude, so I'm going to conclude, even though people recognize the efforts of social contributors, if you have You have to admit that the social contributors such as teachers and scientists are accepted. They are valued. They are providing. They are serving the society with exceptional and exclusive services. So they are doing a great thing for their society. So they are dignity. Dignity is given to them. Respect is given to them. But the modern man's way of measuring success has changed. Now we have a change in the level of success, in measuring the level of success. And now it is based on the money. How much money you have, that much success you be. And if you have less money, you be less successful. And this is what the conclusion is. So we have given a rational conclusion. It means I admit that scientists are given importance, teachers are given importance, they are valid, they are given a special successful status there. But when you see money as a factor, the attitude towards money has changed, and it has become something, um, what you say, the attitude of the people have changed towards money. They accept money as a sort of happiness, the core reason for happiness, and they perceive that if you don't have money, you have to face some problems, crisis. So actually, this situation uh, has made money when we compare money, when we compare a person's success. If a person is wealthy, then naturally we can decide that person is successful in his life because he has a lot of money. It doesn't matter what contributions the person has done to the society here. So the extent of happiness is up to the extent of money. This is what they say.